Maha, what's going on? Matt's car alarm won't go off. Well, won't stop going off. There we go.
I have no idea what's going on. It gets me from point A to point B.
With an adventure in between. Here we are, Market Square. Downtown Pittsburgh. Gonna go get a little grub.
That was a crazy thing because
I don't think
the thing locked by itself. I'm like, what the heck?
You better not ever
lock it.
Lock it. All right. What's going on?
We gotta do not post this.
This
is crazy.
Okay. Why are the lights on in the car?
This is crazy. I never had any problem like this.
See, that's what I said. We gotta make sure we get home first.
Hold up. Yo, where's my tool? I never had this problem at all.
I don't think it's supposed to do this. Is it supposed to?
Mercy.
Is the alarm supposed to go off while you're driving?
Oh no!
What is that?
Yeah, look around for
Everything's going off, man. Every light's flashing.
Oh, God have mercy.
You better undo the battery again.
And try to do it again.
Yeah.
Where's that tool?
Oh, you threw it in the back. I'm trying to steal this $1,000 car. Oh.
It stops for a second. Oh, you're here. The flip. Let's go. You got GPS?
Went off.
But I didn't touch anything.
But the lights are still on. Okay. Now they're going. Are they
The lights are going off?
Oh, man. Always remember our time in Pittsburgh.
There it goes again. Oh, shoot. They found me out. We stole it.
Get out of my way! The emergency alarm will not stop going off.
Hey, but at least you still get a free ride.
Well, I wouldn't call this free. I'm paying for this.
It's not free of embarrassment and shame.
Yes. It's a high price to pay.
Take a photo of the meal.
We're living the good life here.
Oh, yeah.
We've got hot dogs,
And applesauce.
Coke, chips, full lunchio, yo.
No, what's up?
Come on in.
Hot
Don't get
dogs,
better than this.
Sauerkraut. We got pickles.
Yo, what's
Yo,
happening?
what's up?
What's
What's
up?
up?
Hey, how's it going?
All right,
Yeah.
reunion.
We're back, baby.
2022 reunion.
Yeah.
This would be our
Going through the yellow lights.
There you go. There you
This
go.
would be our 32nd year reunion from graduation.
But we're out to have a good old time right now.
Going to the
Yep.
Cavs game.
Going to see
Yeah.
little-
NBA, baby.
little NBA basketball.
Fantastic.
Got
Right
the
here,
best
right
seats
here,
in the
NBA.
house. The top of the stadium. You can
Nosebleeds.
see everything there,
Yeah, you can.
except the players.
That's a great way to look at that. You get to see it all.
Not gonna miss a thing. We are at
Here we are in Cleveland.
We're in Cleveland, man. This is not that busy, actually.
The Guardians.
Indians. They call them the Guardians
They're no
now?
longer the Indians.
Oh,
They're
shoot.
Cleveland.
Yo, shoot. We can go
Guardians.
take a photo in front of the iconic Cleveland sign.
Oh,
You know,
the
right down
Cleveland
here.
sign?
Down here at the waterfront.
waterfront.
And there's Mexico. There's Mexican restaurant down there.
Good, man.
We are good to go, yo.
Cleveland! This one's for you!
A little bit off there at the end. Like, are you gonna post this?
Kind of ran away from us. No.
Oh yeah, peace up, yo.
It's not enough quality. Should we be concerned with steam coming up from the road? I mean, I've actually never seen that before.
That's a New York
Is
thing,
that
you know?
that's a unique thing?
Yeah.
The Ninja Turtles live
I've
under
seen
there.
that in New York City.
Wow.
And here.
Oh, there's the good time 3. It's a good time 3. Where's the good time 3? It's right here.
It doesn't work that way.
There's the Cleveland Brown Stadium. The good time 3. Yep.